Hello. Earlier, I used to be too busy with my hectic lifestyle and erratic washing schedule. Plus, drying clothes added to my workload. But now, I have found the perfect solution in LG's dryer with Dual Inverter Heat Pump. Let me tell you how. LG's patented Dual Inverter Heat Pump provides gentle care with low temperature drying, which smoothens the creases and reduces shrinkage. That gives you perfect drying while taking care of your clothes. Power of choice is in your hands with LG's EcoHybrid Technology. You can effortlessly save energy by 23% and time by 16% as per your preference, without compromising on the performance. Also, with LG's Allergy Care, you can reduce 99.9% of household dust mites and bacteria. This dryer has been tested with BAF standards and has been proven to reduce house dust mites and bacteria from laundry. LG's dryer also performs an automatic condenser clean function during the drying process to help maintain the overall dryer performance. Isn't it just great? LG's ThinQ technology sets this dryer a class apart. Intelligent features let you remotely operate or monitor your dryer. You can also track the energy consumption, diagnose and troubleshoot issues, and download additional drying cycles. With LG, convenience is assured. LG's smart pairing feature automatically sets the dryer cycle based on the last wash cycle completed by the connected compatible washer with the help of the LG ThinQ app. Do you also want to make your life hassle-free? So what are you waiting for? Bring home the LG dryer with Dual Inverter Heat Pump and say goodbye to the hassle of drying clothes outside.